Hello, David, Rush Truck Center, Oklahoma City, maintenance in a minute. Today we're going to talk about the cleanliness of your vehicle, both inside and out. It's very important that you keep under the hood of your truck clean. And I think you know what I'm talking about. All that dirt, oil, residual, it deteriorates your hoses, everything else under there. So we're going to look for our oil leaks, we're going to look for our coolant leaks, and we're going to look for DEF leaks. These are things that keep our vehicle moving on the highways or the roadways like they're supposed to be. It's very important that when we bring a vehicle in, we're not fighting over the oil, the dirt, all that kind of stuff. A lot of times we have to take them back there, steam clean them. That's an added cost. These are things you want to remember, just like the cleanliness inside of your truck. There's nothing worse than hopping in a truck and it being filthy. That could determine how much time that technician is going to want to spend in the cab of your truck. Not to mention the fact that you're riding around in it every day. Cleanliness, as they say, is next to godliness. Those are things we want to remember. It helps your truck stay fit. David, Rush Truck Center, maintenance in a minute.